Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 stretched screen display issue. First method is click Start Settings. Click System. Change display resolution. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Right-click Adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is click Start Settings, click Update and Security. Click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.